Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, expanding fleet of LCA Tejas Trainer Aircraft. In a significant development, the IAF has received the first trainer version of the light combat aircraft Tejas, marking a milestone in the country's indigenous fighter aircraft program. The formal handover ceremony took place in the presence of CAS Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary and HAL Chief C.B. Ananta Krishna. Next, Mk2 light utility helicopter to address Indian Army's enhanced requirements. Indian Air Force Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary has confirmed that HAL has embarked on the development of the Mk2 variant of the light utility helicopter. This move comes in response to the Indian Army's request for certain improvement to be incorporated into the indigenous LUH, which it has already received. Next, Africa and Middle East countries shows interest in Indian rocket and artillery guns. In the last 5 years, Russian and Chinese arms export have witnessed a significant decline in the global market share. The shift in the global arms trade landscape has provided India with a unique opportunity to position its own weapon system in key African and Middle Eastern arm markets. Next, enhancement of coastal and border security with advanced unmanned marine boats and undersea drones. To bolster the security measures along its vast coastline and strategically significant locations like the Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh, where tensions with China have persisted, India's security forces are set to deploy cutting-edge unmanned weaponized marine boats and undersea drone storms. Next, unveiling AntiSwarm Drone ammunition for enhanced naval security. In a significant development in India's maritime defense capabilities, the Indian Navy showcased its cutting-edge AntiSwarm Drone 30 mm ammunition during the Swavlamban 2023 exhibition held in Bharat Mandapam. Next, IAF to get more 7 LCA Tejas Trainer in 2024. In a significant development of India's defense capabilities, HAL, the state-run aircraft manufacturer, handed over the first trainer version of the light combat aircraft Tejas to the Indian Air Force. Next, Turkish drone operating near American troops in Syria was shot dead by US fighter jets. A US F-16 fighter jet on Thursday shot down an armed Turkish drone that was operating near American troops in Syria, according to US officials. Next, Estra MK2 to be Numero 1 air-to-air missile for IAF. The Indian Air Force is on the verge of concluding the developmental trials for the Estra MK2 beyond visual range air-to-air missile, a pivotal step in its quest to establish the Estra MK2 as the primary BVRAM, that is BVRAAM, on all fighter jets. The Estra MK2 missile, once fully integrated, is set to become the cornerstone of the IAF's BVR missile arsenal, bolstering India's air defense capability significantly. Next, a demonstration of loitering munition drone for Kazakhstan Ministry of Defense. Jonete Technology Private Limited, a pioneering defense tech startup headquartered in Noida, achieved a remarkable milestone on October 4th in Astana. The company successfully conducted a demonstration flight of its cutting-edge product, the Jonete JM1 loitering munition, for the Kazakhstan Ministry of Defense. Thank you.